In this short video, we're going to learn how to solve system equations by graphing. Questions that you're going to need to answer after watching this video. What is a solution? You need to be able to identify what a solution is. Question number 2, how are solutions derived from when the equations are written in slope-intercept form? You'll need to know how to do slope-intercept form. How are equations derived when the equations are written in standard form? So let's go ahead and review these. Okay, a system of equations by graphing. To solve a system of equations graphically, graph both equations on the same grid. The point that the two lines intersect is known as the solution. Essentially, wherever the two lines cross, that's the solution. Okay, standard form equations. Just to review, ax plus by equals c, where you notice that in standard form equations, the number that's not attached to any letter is by itself, and x and y are on the same side. And slope-intercept form, y is by itself. Okay, first graph, 4x minus 6y equals 12. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to replace x with 0 and solve y, and then replace y with 0 and solve for x. 4x minus 6y equals 12. I'm going to substitute y with 0 and solve for x. 4x equals 12. Divide both sides by 4. X equals 3. After I find that point, I plot it on my graph. Next, 4x minus 6y equals 12. And this time I'm going to solve for y by substituting x with 0. Divide both sides by negative 6. Y equals negative 2. Plot that point. At this point, this should all be review. We simplify it. That's my line. Okay. Next, slope-intercept form. Y equals negative 1x plus 3. Remember that this point here is my y-intercept. It's a positive 3, so I'm going to plot my positive 3 there. And then I'm going to look at my m. In this case, my m is always attached to my x, and it's negative 1 over 1, which means rise or fall negative 1 and run to the right 1. And it could also mean run and then run to the left. Rise and run to the left. Okay. Now, I've taken the liberty to graph both of these equations. And you'll see that the solution of the two crosses right there. Here's my y equals negative 1x plus 3 in blue. 4x minus 6y equals 12. Those are my two lines. The solution is that point, which in this case is 3, 0.
Hey, Paul?
Yeah.
Do you have the forms for assessment?
No,